Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Macarena Machorga. In today's video we are going to learn some useful phrasal verbs for shopping. So if you want to expand your vocabulary, then keep watching this video. Okay, now let's begin with the first one, to club together, and this means to combine the money of the individuals in a group in order to buy something. For example, when it is my mom's birthday, my brothers and I club together and buy her a nice present. The second one, to shop around. And this means to look at different shops and compare prices. And I think this is something I always do. I always shop around before buying something. You should shop around before buying a car. To splash out, to spend a lot of money on buying things that you don't need. I always do that. Okay, examples. I splashed out on makeup last week and I don't even use makeup. To stack up, and this means to buy something in large quantities. For example, my fridge is empty. I have to go to the supermarket and stack up on food, vegetables, meat. To rip off. If someone rips you off, they cheat you by making you pay too much money for something. For example, $400 for those shoes? They have ripped you off. To beat somebody down, and this means to make somebody reduce the price of something. For example, she wanted $200 for that dress, but I beat her down to $150. Okay guys, that's all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care. Take care and use the phrasal verb.